This is Complete Plumbing performing a video inspection of the house sewer at 5307 Otto Place. We've introduced the camera into the vent stack up on the roof and forwarded the camera all the way to the connection to the city main, which is what you see in front of you at about 55-56 feet out. The clay pipe sewer looks to be in good condition outside the house, but there's a couple of areas of concern when we get out inside the house in the sewer, in the crawl space, underground in the crawl space. There's no major tree roots, no collapses, no breaks. A couple joints that are questionable, but that's very common in a clay sewer. What you see there is the edge of the advanced pipe. The shiny part is just the edge of the pipe ahead of the camera. Those are your joints. Sometimes they'll be a little elevated, but it doesn't create a big enough dam to catch anything. Water can float anything past those points, and again, very common, and it certainly doesn't warrant doing anything proactive as far as digging it up and fixing it. Those are not anything that you would be concerned about. You see the sewer looks like this pretty consistently. There are 2-foot sections of pipe. It's the way it was installed back when it was installed originally. But you can see the sewer's pretty clean. All right, we're going to be coming up to an area which measures out from like 6 to 7 feet on this camera and back to 0. There's a branch line there on the left. You can see it's probably the kitchen sink line dropping into it. See like a semicircle there. There's a better view of it right there. That's probably the drain line connecting from the kitchen sink connecting to the main sewer. And then here you can see that there's been debris pressed against all the sides of this section of the sewer, which suggests it's experienced backups in this area. That fitting to the right there, the one that was from the left was from the kitchen. The right, we're a little unsure of what that's from, but there's no problems with it, so maybe it's abandoned, maybe it's a fixture that used to be there that's not anymore, but we don't think that's playing any role in any kind of backups. You can see paper like popcorn kind of gathered in this area. This is the area that seems to be affected. That's not a great joint right there. Possible concern. We think this piece of pipe here that we're in now, that the camera's in now, is back pitched a little bit. And that's a fairly decent sized rib there that it's got to climb over, probably about a 3/4 inch there on the bottom of the pipe. You can see paper tucked against it right now. But now the